What's going on? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about networking.
Nerf this!
So right now, Lily and I are in Connecticut. We are being hosted by Tim and his wife, Tanasia. We're gonna go to a super gym and get a workout. And a little later on, we're gonna be discussing networking and why it's so important, why you need to be doing it. All right, so let's get into it. It's currently like 12 degrees here. Gotta love that New England weather. Alright, so we're at the Mecca of Connecticut here with the homie Tim. About to get this workout in, get these gains, and then after that we'll talk to you guys a little bit about networking. So let's go.
Let's get it.
Gains! We want to talk to you guys a little bit about networking and why it's so important. You really have to surround yourself with people who are like-minded, who have similar goals as you, and especially for me, physically, like I'm trying to get in Kanye's shape right here, so it's important to find someone who is really going to push you. When we're working out together, I always will try to go heavier than I normally would by myself because I know he's there, I know he's watching me, I know he's holding me accountable and making sure I'm not cheating myself. I just gotta say thanks to Tim again for kicking my ass in the gym.
Thanks for coming down, and definitely having somebody that's like-minded, that has similar goals to you is important. Staying in contact, daily messaging, whether it's a phone call too as well. Just having somebody that has your back and has the same goals is great because it pushes you in the direction that you want to go in your life. Exactly.
Couldn't have said it better myself. My arms are jello, my back is tight. We did a pull day. I think we're just gonna go back to Tim's place and grab some food.
Chill, pretty much chill, hang out, enjoy each other's company.
Yep.
Thanks again for coming down, appreciate it.
Thanks for having me. So we get these post gains. Wives doing wife things.
Oh, I didn't know what he said. I'm like, what? Is it okay to do what?
So we're about to have the rubber match for 2K. Tim whooped me second game. I won the first game, barely. He whooped me the second game. So now it's the best out of 3 right now. So we'll see what happens.
Crown.
Tim is wearing the 2K crown.
What did you say?
Lights off.
Breakfast. Look at that.
Kings and queens.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. I'm crashing hard right now. I'm about to get this Clue game on. Can we pick our players?
Yeah.
I don't want to be Colonel Mustard, I've decided. Or Professor Plum.
What? Are you? Continues clockwise. Okay. So
wait, I thought it was a 2-player.
It's a 4-player game, but you can play as a 2.
So Lily just won that game.
Woo!
Never played before.
Beginner's luck.
Yeah.
For the one who didn't know.
Wow.
I was still talking. For the one who didn't know. News.
If you guys were wondering, it was Mrs. Peacock with a wrench
In the lounge.
in the lounge.
Lounge.
All right.
So I was the one.
You were the one.
I killed and I won. No.
So Tim and I are gonna try a new flavor of protein from Redcon 1.
Blueberry yogurt.
It's gonna be a live taste test.
Cheers.
It's good.
Yo, that's
It's
good. I like it.
It is.
Tastes like
It's
a
like,
blueberry.
yeah, it really is like smooth like yogurt
Yeah.
Taste.
too. It's like it's a really good texture. I like it. Recommend. So right now we're leaving Tim and Tenacious. Thank you again, guys, for hosting us and being so kind and so generous and taking such good care of us. We really appreciate it. We have a long drive ahead of us, 2 hours, and I'm sure there's going to be some Patriots traffic because the Patriots are on today. So let's get moving.
Just staring at us. Like a deer in headlights.
Hi.
Do you think they see us, Jim?
Keep it moving. Play it cool.
Just blend in. Don't move.
Act natural. Alright, so we're back home, obviously. Good to be back home. I gotta go to the gym today, and the Patriots are on, like I said. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you won't miss a thing anytime I post a video, because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going, and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also release bonus videos at random, so you don't want to miss a thing. Alright, I want to leave you with this final thought before I end it here. Networking does determine your net worth. You need to surround yourself with people on the same mission as you, like I said before, like Tim said. Tim and I, again, talk on the daily. We keep each other accountable. Hey, what are you doing? What am I doing? Think of it like this. When you, let's just say you want to make it to the NBA, right? You're going to work on your game constantly. Dribbling, passing, shooting, all facets, all fundamentals. If you surround yourself with 5 other people that want to do the same thing, that want to get to the NBA, that are going to be working on their game every day, again, dribbling, passing, shooting, every facet, that's going to force you to level up with them. They're going to push you, you're going to push them. There's going to be days where you're saying, man, I really don't feel like going to the gym and getting shots up, but the other 5 guys are going to the gym and getting their shots up. What is that going to do? That's going to motivate you to get your butt up and go get those buckets. So surrounding yourself with people and networking with like-minded individuals is gonna force you to raise your game. Alright, so that's the importance to do it, and how you do it is a number of ways. You find people through social media, through mutual contacts like Tim and I met. I also have a number of other contacts that I keep in touch with through Instagram, through social media, through other networking groups such as the BNI group, which is a business networking group, a meetup.com you can go use. That'll inform you of other groups that are in the area. Like if you're in the entrepreneurial space, you can find an entrepreneurial meetup, real estate investing, sports, acting, YouTube. There's anything you can think of, IT, you know, even just like a social club. Everything is on meetup.com, so there's a group for you. So that's how you can network and find people who are on the same mission as you, who want the same results as you. That being said, you must go do it. You must go find people who want to achieve the same things as you do, and together you'll all achieve more. Team. Together, everyone achieves more. All right. So thanks so much for checking it out, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Signing off.